Woo-wee, family and friends out here at the farm. It's a week after the last video, so February 22nd. It is windy, it is wet, but it's time for another update. All right, here we are inside. And the first update is they have connected the well power, the well water and everything. This is a pressure vessel for those who don't use wells. They've connected that all up to some power. So as soon as the plumber's back out, we'll be able to get the hot water heater and everything connected, and we'll have water. Wow, it is so windy. Under here, the only other sort of updates are that they have completed the final sort of fit and finish work for the HVAC. There was a couple small things that needed to be done, and those are done. But they still haven't put the condenser unit outside, the heat exchanger outside. But there's now a platform. We'll go out and see that here in a second. Not a lot of other things under here that have been updated. Most of the work was upstairs this week, and most of that was replacing doors. But let's go over here real quick, show you guys the platform that they've built. It's so wet. Oh my gosh. So here's platform that's going to have the condenser unit, the heat exchanger on it. So that's all ready to go. Those contractors should be coming out this week to finish up connecting the condenser as well. So that'll be awesome. This is our septic pump and alarm. That's all fully connected. So yay, that's done. You know, the punch list is making progress. Man, it's so cold. So let's go inside. Okay, so the first big thing, now that we're inside the house, that they completed this week is power. We finally have power to the house. The PUD came out and they connected up the power line. And so we have power again. Yay! But like I pointed out below, we still don't have heat or water fully connected. So it's still not quite livable. The second update, you see the double doors behind me. They ended up replacing those. I think I mentioned last week that the previous doors were wood frame and they had already started rotting. And so these are composite doors or fiberglass doors or whatever, some non-wood product. And so they ripped out the old doors and put the new doors in. So that's awesome. That's pretty much it for the update this week. This coming week should be a big week in terms of finalizing some punch down lists to get this livable. Still a lot of fit and finish stuff. For example, the deck you can see is still treacherous. There's no decking out there or anything. But this coming week, they should have the water and the HVAC people out here, which means this place will go to the bathroom indoors. So I'm pretty happy with the progress. Again, it's now torrential downpour. We went from freezing cold to this crazy rain, and the flooding in the fields and everything kind of highlights why we've done this project. So fingers crossed that we don't get any flooding like under the house, because that will never be good anyway. But if we do, we're at least better prepared. So until next time, pretty pleased with the progress, and yeah, can't wait to start using this more and more. See you, everyone.